Hi guys, time for daily decision, or not daily decision making, it's calendar time. So, yesterday was Monday. So today is Tuesday. I need everybody to say today is Tuesday. The month is March. This is the last day in March. So I need everybody to say the month is March. The date is the 31st.
31st.
Okay? So the date is Tuesday, March 31st. Now, we need to go outside and look at the weather. If you want to take a second and do that, you can pause the video. Now, our options are sunny, rainy, snowy, cloudy, foggy.
More options.
But right now, it looks kind of partly sunny. There's a slight chance it'll
Partly
rain
sunny.
today. So the weather is partly sunny. And the temperature. What does it feel like outside to you? It might be a little cool right now if you're doing the video in the morning, but today's temperature is supposed to get up to 75 degrees. So we could probably say that's on the warm side.
Warm.
And let's dress our character today.
Bottoms.
If it's warm, do you think we're gonna need sweatpants or shorts?
Shorts.
Shorts is a good choice. Let's look at our tops. It's warm. So a sweater or a t-shirt. Or we could even do a collared t-shirt.
Collared shirt.
And our shoes. It's a slight chance of rain. I think it said it was only a 20% chance of rain today. So you can keep your rain boots in your closet and then go ahead and wear some sneakers. And then if it rains,
Tennis
get your
shoes.
shoes. Get your rain boots. Okay, our hats. I don't think we're going to wear a hat today.
No hat.
Accessories. We'll skip those
No
today too.
accessory.
Our outerwear.
Outerwear.
So since it's going to be kind of cool in the morning, you could take a light jacket or a sweater and then just hold on to it or put it away for after it gets hot.
Jean jacket.
So today's weather, Tuesday, March 31st. Partly sunny and warm. Now remember, there's a chance of rain, so make sure you have your rain boots if you go outside just in case. Have a great day, you guys.